Hello and welcome to the pco.camware video tutorials. The second tutorial of our CamWare 4 series is all about customizing the software according to your preferences. In case you desire to have some of the toolbars to be hidden when you're not currently using them, simply click the Auto Hide button on the respective toolbar. This function will make the toolbar disappear, and it will only show up again when hovering over the toolbar's name. This will provide you with more available space for your view windows, but still allows you to change parameters if needed. You can also undock the toolbars and move them to different positions. Double-click onto the toolbar's name or just drag it, and alternative positions for docking the toolbar will appear. When you're working with multiple cameras, you have the flexibility to arrange view windows side by side. Drag and drop one of the view windows onto the other one and choose your desired arrangement, either horizontally or vertically. For efficiently arranging more than two view windows, just click onto one of the other view windows and just drag it out of the view window area until new docking positions appear. This allows for locating the view windows next to each other horizontally and vertically. And on top of that, you can also drag the view windows to the second monitor if needed. A nice solution when you want to keep track while working with 4 or more cameras. In case some of the toolbars are irrelevant for you, you can disable them by opening the View menu and deselecting the ones you do not need. There are also some additional toolbars available, like the Math tool, an extended recorder, and the cursor bar. After customizing CamWare and closing it, it will reopen with a modified layout. In case you want the default layout back, you simply press Reset Layout to Default, and the layout will be restored with the next software restart. That's all about customizing your CamWare software. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.